Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are talking about something that could seriously shake the camera market. If these leaks are true, Canon is preparing one of the biggest APS-C upgrades in years. The upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to feature a powerful 40-megapixel stacked sensor. And alongside it, Canon may also launch the Canon R100V, a budget-friendly option designed for beginner creators. This is not just an update, this looks like a complete strategy shift. Let's start with the R7 Mark II. The original Canon EOS R7 already proved that APS-C is not just for beginners. It delivered speed, strong autofocus, and impressive reach in a compact body. Wildlife and sports photographers loved it. Now Canon seems ready to take things further. The biggest rumor is the 40-megapixel stacked backside illuminated sensor. 40 megapixels on APS-C sounds bold, but the real story is the stacked design. A stacked sensor increases readout speed. That means less rolling shutter, better electronic shutter performance, and more reliable autofocus tracking. In simple terms, the camera reacts faster and feels more responsive. Rolling shutter has been a weakness in many mirrorless cameras. Fast pans can bend lines. Quick movement can cause distortion. A stacked sensor reduces this problem because it reads data much faster. For wildlife and sports shooters, this could be a game changer. Silent shooting becomes more dependable. Action looks more natural. Autofocus also benefits from faster readout. Canon's dual-pixel system is already excellent. But with improved sensor speed, tracking can become more stable. Sudden subject movement becomes easier to follow. That means more sharp images during high-speed bursts. For action photographers, consistency is everything. Burst shooting could also improve. Faster data processing allows higher frame rates without losing focus accuracy. Capturing the perfect moment becomes easier. Whether it's birds in flight or fast sports action, the R7 Mark II seems built for precision and speed. Video performance is another exciting area. A 40-megapixel sensor allows strong oversampled 4K recording. Oversampling creates sharper, cleaner footage with better detail. Combined with reduced rolling shutter and improved heat control, the R7 Mark II could become a serious hybrid camera. It may not chase extreme 8K marketing numbers, but it could deliver reliable, high-quality 4K for real-world creators. Design changes are expected to be small but meaningful. The original R7 already had great ergonomics and weather sealing. Canon will likely focus on workflow improvements like faster buffer clearing and better connectivity. Faster Wi-Fi may sound minor, but for professionals who send images quickly, it matters a lot. Now let's talk about the R100V. This camera targets beginners and vloggers. It is expected to have a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor with a DJIC processor. Reliable and simple. Autofocus will likely include dual pixel with eye detection, perfect for talking head videos and daily content. Video specs focus on practicality. 4K at 30 frames per second, possibly 4K 60 in cropped mode, and Full HD at 60 FPS. No Canon log, but maybe HDR-PQ for better color straight from the camera. The fully articulating touchscreen is a major upgrade for vloggers who need to see themselves while recording. To keep the price affordable, there may be no electronic viewfinder and only one SD card slot. Weather sealing will likely be limited, but with lightweight design and good battery life, it becomes a perfect starter camera under a competitive price point. When we look at both cameras together, Canon's plan becomes clear. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II pushes APS-C performance to a higher level. The Canon R100V makes content creation accessible for beginners. One focuses on speed and precision. The other focuses on simplicity and affordability. In my opinion, if these leaks are accurate, Canon is not just updating cameras. They are redefining APS-C. The R7 Mark II could finally bring stacked sensor technology into this segment and challenge even some full-frame options. And the R100V ensures new creators can enter the RF system easily. APS-C is no longer just a smaller format. It is becoming specialized, powerful, and purpose-driven. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, share this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next big leak. And tell me in the comments, would you choose the R7 Mark II over full frame if these specs become reality?